Today we are stuffing our cookies. Yes, we are stuffing cookies with some Easter candy and maybe even some mini Reese's. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. I've seen these stuffed cookies trending, so we had to try them. All we're gonna do is make some cookie dough. I'm just making my chocolate chip cookie dough. And if you want, that recipe is right here linked. And we're just not gonna put the chocolate chips in, but we're making the cookie dough. So here's my yummy chocolate chip cookie dough. And now I have Easter candy. You can see in front of me, I have Cadbury eggs. We have some caramel ones and some cream-filled ones, but today we're just doing mini ones. And then I'm gonna stuff some mini Reese's in some cookies today. I'm just gonna grab a little scoop of cookie dough. And I'm not measuring it, you just kind of can eyeball it. Just get a little scoop of cookie dough, and now we're just gonna push your thumb down or your pointer finger and make a little indent in that cookie dough. And then we will place our little caramel egg right in the center of this cookie. And then we're just gonna push the dough around the cookie, and there we go. Then we're gonna roll it around in our hand, roll it into a ball. And of course, you guys, we can't have spring Easter cookies without some fun Easter sprinkles. So we're gonna roll this cookie dough right in my sprinkles here. Now we have a cookie stuffed with caramel and chocolate and covered in sprinkles. Now we're gonna make one and fill it with our cream-filled Cadbury egg, and it's the same thing. We're just gonna get a little scoop of cookie dough, push our thumb or index finger right in there to make a little indent. Grab your little chocolate egg and stick it right in the middle, and then cover it with the rest of your cookie dough. Kind of push it around in there, roll it in a ball, and we're gonna roll it in sprinkles. And of course, I wanted to try a mini Reese's one because I'm a sucker for all things peanut butter and chocolate. Look how cute these cookies are. I don't even want to bake them because they're so happy and spring and so cute. Now we're gonna bake our cookies at 350, and these ones do need to bake for a little bit longer. This is about 13 minutes for me, 13 to 14, depending on your oven. And there we have it, you guys. Here is a cookie that is filled with a caramel Cadbury egg, and we are going to break it apart, and look at that caramel inside that cookie. So good. Now I'll get my knife, and we're gonna cut into our Cadbury cream-filled cookie, and there you go. And then last, but definitely not least, we are gonna break into this Reese's cookie. Look at that peanut butter goodness. I honestly can't decide which cookie I like best. The cream one is so good, the caramel one, I mean, it's caramel, and the Reese's one is fantastic. I hope you guys go try it and let me know how it goes. So good, guys, so good. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to stuff your cookies with the Cadbury eggs and Reese's, you can also make some fun spring cookies with just some mini eggs. And I'm just going to use the mini eggs instead of chocolate chips. I put my mini eggs in a plastic bag and I smacked it with a rolling pin, broke them up, and then just dumped them right in my cookie dough. Have, instead of a chocolate chip cookie, a mini egg cookie. You just cook them the same time on 350 for about 10 minutes, and there you have it, mini egg cookies. So good.